Guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Black & Decker 28.8 watts with a 14.4 lithium battery. This is one of the best in the market so far, so we'll just go straight to the item itself. So this is one of the best in the Black & Decker portable. It can be used for more floor and the corners of kitchen as well as carpet, and also you can use it for your sofas. It comes with one very important, showing the model here, and you can see with this catalog can show you exactly the accessories which is coming, which is one is the stand, one is the front sucker, and also this one is portable as well as a stick vacuum cleaner. So the manual can also direct you on how to fix on your own, and there is nothing much, so make sure you keep this one safely. So this is one of the accessories which is coming. This is the brush and the sucker as well. Very unique with some rotating threads here, and also it's movable. That means it can move up and down, so just give it down. It comes with the accessory which is the plug for charging. I'll show you how to do it. This is the stick vacuum. Very soon I'll be showing you how to install this one. And finally there is a stand. It comes with a stand. This one also I'll show you how to install. So that's the complete unit. Okay, this one simply, it comes with a thread inside which is for power, for the communication from the stop switch. There is two switches here, you can see. So guys, there is one screw here that you have to open. The screw. Then you just place this one inside. You can see. Then you just remove the screw and tighten it. It's very important, guys, to know properly how to install. Make sure it's full, tight. And then this one is to release the hand vacuum cleaner. This one you can use it as a hand vacuum cleaner, but when you put it back here, it can be used also like a floor cleaner. So that's the advantage of this. So we'll just install the next one. Very easy to install. You just squeeze it, and that one will be ready to work. It's very easy. And this one is the stand. It comes with two accessories. One is the brush. I'll be showing you shortly how to use it. And this one also is a sucker, which also is very important. These two gadgets I'll show you how to use as we proceed. So this one, you can just store it like that. And this one is the charger, which I'll be showing you how to charge. You see, this one is just a stand, and this one is the wire it's charging. This one will be going at the back, the sideways. You can see there's a hole, and then you just put it on the charger. I'll show you how to do that one in a while. Meanwhile, let's see if our gadget is working. There is a switch here. So it can work for the floor. Very interesting. Very clean. Okay, now I'll show you how to use it in your sofas or in a small spaces. That is now where the brush is coming in, just to remove the debris. You can put the brush here. We can start with the sucker. Easy to install, just like that. I can push the brush just like that. Then we can go. That's clean. So that's how you can use in sofa, both in sofa and also you can use in your sitting room carpets and everything. This is most effective, actually. One of the best in the market. The price is only $137, and this is how you just put it on the plug and you charge it. You can leave it overnight to charge. When it's full, it will just show an indication that it's full. Electrical and electronics gadgets. Thank you so much for watching our channels. Do remember to put a thumbs up and subscribe.